Take you to the United States now and talk to Matt Maley in Newton in Massachusetts. He's the managing director and equity strategist at the trading firm Miller Tabak. Matt, welcome. On this arrest in Canada, first of all, due legal process has to be observed. This can't be quickly spirited away and squashed, can it?
No, it really can't. I mean, it's something it's a process that will take time. Of course, they're trying to get her out on bail and citing health reasons and such like that. But considering how important this or how serious this arrest was, this is something they knew in advance, meaning the Canadians and the U.S. So I would be very surprised if she got out on bail. And as you mentioned in your lead up, was that the U.S. wants to extradite her to the U.S. for these charges, and this is not something they would have done unless they were very serious about that extradition process.
Is it possible to quantify the effect of this arrest on markets?
Well, it's always impossible to make it a definite number type of thing. Is the market's going to go down X percent because of this? But the thing is, we had some real positive news when they extended that the 25% tariffs out 90 days. That was a real positive development. The fact that it was basically completely reversed by this arrest definitely changes things, creates a situation where we have further headwinds and more uncertainty, and pushes any chance that we'll have any kind of a serious agreement out further down the road. That's a problem.
Is it possible, as the U.S. wants, to see this arrest as separate and apart from the trade truce negotiations, or will it be seen by China as one and the same thing, bundled up together?
I don't see it how it cannot be seen as bundled up together. The U.S. will try to say that it's separate, but I don't see that there's any way that can happen. Of course, the fear is, why was this actually done? I mean, people are starting to throw terms around like hostages. I think that's a little strong. However, it's very, very interesting. If this suddenly goes from a trade war to a hostage war, we got big problems. I mean, the think tank in Washington called the Center for Strategy and International Studies came out this week saying that they told high-tech executives from the U.S. not to travel to China. That's how serious they think this situation is. So I think it's bundled together, and it's something that has definitely changed this from a somewhat positive issue to, again, back to on the negative side of the ledger.
Matt in Massachusetts, good to talk to you. Thanks for coming on the show.